What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel, and today we're going to be doing another quick unboxing video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We got all kinds of unboxing and reviews coming your way. Today we have this interesting multi-tool, right? It is from this brand off of Amazon called Flissa, right? We did a opening or unboxing of the Flissa Axis Lock knife, this guy right here. If you haven't checked that out already, make sure to do so. It is about $28 to $30 with taxes off of Amazon. And this guy is a very shows a lot of potential here as a multi-tool, right? So let's go ahead and open it up. Again, affiliate links will be in the description for this guy. Anything that we go over, those links do help out the channel, right? At no extra cost to you, so keep that in mind. It is up to you, of course. Let's see what's in the box. We have the multi-tool. Of course, we have some thank you notes from Flissa and a breakdown, right, of how the back lock, liner lock work, how the every component on here works, right, everything that comes in these this multi-tool. Looking at the Amazon posting here, so this guy comes in around $30. It's a 16-in-1 multi-tool, right? We got pliers and folding pocket tools and all kinds of great things. So let's dive into it, right, for lack of a better word. So out of the pouch here, right, it has some good weight to it. By the way, I'll be doing a review of this guy. We'll be doing the weight, the dimensions, everything in the review in about a week or so. I'm going to EDC this guy for about a week, maybe 2 weeks, right, and then give you my impressions after that time. But right off the bat, we got to check out the pliers. All right, very nice pliers. They feel good and comfortable on the hand, right? Got some wire clippers right here as well. It's part of it, which is pretty nice. This is done in stainless steel, right? Keep in mind, this is a Chinese tool, especially for the price. But again, I mean, we're judging the quality here as compared to, let's say, a Leatherman or a Gerber or something like that, which of course would be like an American brand and such. But this is on the budget end of things, so we're just doing a quick unboxing, reviewing it. If it's worth it, we'll keep it. If not, we'll return it, right? That's how these things work in the channel. So if you like that kind of content, yeah, make sure to stick around because there's a lot of that going on here. So those are the pliers right there. Again, I'm not gonna spend too much time, but I'll show you so far. I'll give you a quick sneak peek of everything. All right, have a nice blade right there that seems to be really sharp. We'll be doing a sharpness test during the review video. All right, and these lock, right? So that one is locked in place right there. You have this locking mechanism right here, so you have to push down. Right, it's kind of like sort of like a liner lock in a way. Push down so that you can retrieve the tool back. On the opposite side, you have a nail filer, which you open with this nail nick right here. So not a nail filer, but just a filer period. You could file a lot of different things here. It has a smoother side and a rougher side on the other end. Again, this one locks as well. So it makes it very convenient, right, when you're filing something, that it's not going anywhere. It is locked there pretty solid. So we're gonna unlock it so we can close it. Opposite end of that, we have a serrated blade, so that comes handy as well, right? Nice serrations on this one as compared to the straight edge on the other one. Also locked, so unlock it to be able to close it. Opposite of that, we have this saw tool, also locks, of course. And yeah, this one is really sharp. I'm sure this will cut through whatever rope or what have you with no issues. Let's lock it, right? Unlock it so we can put it back in. Over on this end, you have, right, so we going back to the pliers. It kind of feels like a transformer in a way every time you're dealing with a multi-tool, but you also have some additional tools down here. That's what I wanted to show you. So we do have a screwdriver here, right? It has the Phillips head on one side and the it's just a plain screw head. Why am I forgetting this right now, right? So whoop. Things that happen during an unboxing.
One eternity later.
All right, so this guy went flying. I'm not sure why, but had to pick it up off the floor. In case you're wondering the exact dimensions, it is PH 1/316. So a flat head, that's what it is, flat head and a Phillips head, right? So you can interchange both, right, on either end. Right, which is pretty neat. And this locks in place. So in order to unlock that, you have to press right here. Press, and then it releases so you can put it back. Over on the other end of this other handle here, we have all kinds of goodies. We have what looks to be sort of like a tiny blade here, but in a way also like a bottle opener. These lock as well, so in order to release each of them, you have to press in the back right there. Okay, we have Just a couple of other items right here. I'm not sure what you would use some of these for, but that kind of gives you an idea there. Kind of looks like a flathead screwdriver, but kind of like a prying tool as well, if you needed to, right? Smaller prying tool. I'm sure those will come handy at some point. And last but not least, these are the most interesting shaped scissors I've ever seen. So you go ahead and lock them in place, right? And just when you think there's nothing there, go like this and boom. Right, there are your scissors. Well, these I think we can test, no problem. Right, nice and sharp, right? And I like that when they fold like that, right? That's a nice ergonomic way to fold. You do have centimeters, right? Centimeters measurement on one end. You have inches on the other end. So I mean, for what it's worth, that's pretty handy, right? Again, not a review, just a quick unboxing. Again, 16-in-1 stainless steel, right? Flissa Multitool. Checking the price again, about $30 off Amazon. Links will be in the description down below, and give you one last look at it, right? 16-in-1 multi-tool, guys. If you want to see a review on this guy, that's going to be in the channel in about a week or two. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know, right, if you're a multi-tool person, right? What is your multi-tool brand that you swear by, right? What is your multi-tool go-to brand? I'm trying to get into multi-tools a little bit more. I'm definitely more of a knife person, right? But you know, when you're EDCing different items, you know, you definitely a multi-tool comes so handy. I've definitely had a lot of times where I've needed a multi-tool, and this has come very, very handy. So I'm excited for the review. Again, I still need to gather some more feedback so I can make a very comprehensive review, guys. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.